Hello friends, welcome to Amira's Wonder World. We visited Manama, the capital city of Bahrain, and let's take you for a quick tour of the hotel property and the room we stayed in. Enjoy the video friends, and if you've not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates. We are in Bahrain. Yeah, so it's our first day. We just entered the hotel room. Yes, we'll be staying at Grand Swiss Belhotel, Sif in Bahrain, Manama, the capital of Bahrain. Right? So, Myra, are you excited? How did you like the room?
Good.
Nice. So, we are staying in this G balcony club room.
Yes.
And now we're headed to the pool as Omira is already dressed up for the pool, right?
Yes.
Okay. So friends, here we come to an end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, do press the like button and see you again with the next video. Bye bye friends. Good day.